In front of me is another tab K11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. First, go into Settings and scroll to choose Notifications and Control Center. Now tap on App Notifications here. And before doing anything, tap on Most Recent to sort your apps and see ones with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps on your Lenovo, or only apps with notifications disabled. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, use blue switchers next to your apps to block notifications from them, or gray ones to turn them back on. Quick tip, you can also tap on any app on the left, disable or enable notifications over here, but also check out and manage all of those notification options for a chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!